Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a spell designed to help you get your money back. This spell can be a powerful tool for attracting the return of money owed to you. Remember, intention and belief are key components of any spell. Let's start by gathering the materials you'll need. A green candle, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. A piece of paper. A pen. A small bowl of salt for purification. A few coins, representing the money owed. A fireproof dish, a lighter or matches. Optional, a clear quartz crystal for amplifying the spell's power. Find a quiet, clean space where you won't be disturbed. Arrange your materials in front of you. Place the green candle in the center with the piece of paper and pen beside it, the bowl of salt and coins nearby, and the fireproof dish ready for use. Start by purifying your space. Sprinkle a small amount of salt around your area, creating a circle of protection. Light the green candle and take a few deep breaths to ground yourself. Focus on your intention, the return of the money owed to you. Take the piece of paper and write down the amount of money owed to you and the name of the person or entity that owes you. Be specific and clear. For example, John owes me $100. Hold the coins in your hand and close your eyes. Visualize the money coming back to you. Imagine it flowing into your life effortlessly. Feel the joy and relief of having the money returned. When you feel ready, place the coins around the base of the candle. Hold the piece of paper and focus on the candle flame. With conviction, recite the following spell. By the light of this green flame, I call back the money owed to me. May it return quickly and effortlessly, bringing balance and fairness. As I will, so mote it be. After reciting the spell, carefully light the piece of paper with the candle flame and place it in the fireproof dish. As it burns, imagine any obstacles to the return of your money being removed. Once the paper has burned completely, extinguish the candle safely. Collect the coins and keep them in a safe place until your money is returned. You can also carry them with you as a reminder of your intention. And that's it. Remember, the key to any spell is belief and intention. Trust in the process and be open to receiving the money owed to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more magical content. Good luck, and may your finances be blessed.